how to play Il Silenzio, as played by Nini Rosso in 1965. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the trumpet part. I have it scored for trumpet, and I have it scored in the for C instruments. So a trumpet is a B-flat instrument, so the trumpet would play a G and the piano would play an F. All the way through, you're one note below what the trumpet would play. So our right-hand melody would be F, B-flat, F, B-flat, D, B-flat, D, B-flat, F, F, B-flat, F, B-flat, D, C, B-flat, C, D, again, then B-flat, C, D, E-flat. Now those are solid note triplets. E-flat, D, C, B-flat, C, D, E-flat, D, C, A, B-flat, C, D, C, B-flat, A, B-flat, C, D, C, B-flat, again. Then we go to some more triplets. F, D, B-flat, F, D, B-flat, C, D, E-flat, D, C. More triplets. E-flat, C, A, E-flat, C, A, B-flat, C, D, C, B-flat. And then triplets. F, D, B-flat, F, D, B-flat, F. E-flat, C, A, E-flat, C, A, B-flat. And then the trumpet tag is F, B-flat, F, B-flat, D, B-flat, D, B-flat, F, F, B-flat. And the last bugle call to fade out is B-flat, D, F, 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 B-flat. So there you have the trumpet part. Then all we've got to do is put the bass in. Now we're in the key of B flat, but our first chord will come in with an F chord. So that first intro with the trumpet. And what you do there is you hold it a couple beats on F, F, and 3 beats on it, B flat. Now 4 beats on this D. Then 2 beats each on this. Here comes the F chord right there with it. And then we're into a straight 4/4 meter right there. Now all I'm going to do is arpeggiate in the left hand, B flat, D, F, B flat. Now in the accompaniment that you see on the recording, there's right-handed accompaniment too, but I can't play the melody and do anything in the right hand. So I'll just do the chord with the left hand. We'll do that several times. Last time we added a little F in there. So we do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times totally. And you want to, if you can, separate those right hand melody notes. So it sounds trumpet-like, or like you're getting attacked with each note. There's a tongue attack on each note there, so you want to make it bright. Now there we go to an E flat arpeggio, E flat, G, B flat, F, A, C, F chord with the arpeggio, and hold it back just a pause after each initial note. E flat, F, A, C, F, A, C. You do that 3 times. Then back to A. Do it again. Now we go back to the B flat. And then we come down to an accompanying E flat, E, F, E flat, D right there that goes right along with the chord. here I'm going to go to B flat, D and F. And then we'll go to F, C and F, F, C and F. So now where that chord comes in is just after the second note of the triplet. The triplet is 1 triplet, 2 triplet, C. And we'll put that D and F right after the initial second note of the triplet. Same thing here. Then we got, see that C and F come just after that second note of the triplet. Now here we're going to go down to a G minor. B flat, G minor, A, G, just a single note A, walk it down, G, F, back to the same F, C, F chord. It's an open fifth, F, C, F, with the fourth on top there. So where we walk it down there. Now we go to the G minor. F with the last B flat. That F pickup right there. Vocal section. We go into the vocal section and you take that B flat, that F with the F pickup with the B flat again, and soften it up a little bit. And it's just like the trumpet part, only it's not as articulated. You just smooth it out a little bit and soften it down a little bit. Because there's going to be some vocals over top of it if you have the vocals going, reading the English translation. Now here I go up to the E flat, F, so I'm coming out of this B flat and go so keep it sounding nice right there. Now here we're going to go up to the E flat, and because we're coming right back with the trumpet, so I'm setting it up so I can walk into it. So E flat, F, E flat, D, and then E flat, D, E flat, F. So that little turn goes right into that trumpet coming in. You're going to have... And in the left hand, you're going to use the G minor. G minor, A, C, G, F. So A, C, and F. That A is actually the third of the F chord. So we're going to hit the A, C, and F, and then hold it, and then walk it down to the G and the F. So it'll look like this. We're going to play the F. This F is a pickup note, but we're going to stop the left end. So the F will be by itself. And then we're into the trumpet tag. Fanfare at the end. all that you have for accompaniment is a single bass note on a B flat there. And then we just trumpet a cappella right after that. There you have it, Il Silenzio. It's played in 1965 by Nini Rosso. I hope you enjoy it.